Welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing to you a best DIY face mask that for moisturize your skin, also get a glowing and clear skin. So let's start. At first I take boiled water. This must I need because I also need to steam my face. So at first I take a boiled water and I need a towel, in a big towel, to cover my face and steam my face. At least 5 minutes you can steam, and after steaming your face, then clean your face with normal water or any kinds of water and with towel. When you steam your face, that times you have noticed that your skin pores also opened. That all I needed in my face. So this portion is in that I need to make my DIY face mask. So let's start. Friends, I need these items. First item is lemon, yogurt and honey. So basically these three ingredients I need to make my DIY face mask. So let's start how to I make it and how much this quantity I need. At first I take a bowl and a spoon. Then I take 2 spoons of yogurt. Then take 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And then take honey. Friends, if you have a oily skin, that's no problem to use a honey because you can also use a yogurt and lemon. So use honey because it's moisturize your skin, and all of type skins can use this DIY face mask. So take 1 tablespoon of honey. Now mix all these ingredients. Yogurt has a lactic acid power and anti-aging, bacterial and vitamin D, potassium, calcium that remove your dark spots, acne spots and pimple spots, and also remove your suntans problem and also gets a glowing and shiny face. And we used in the honey. So honey has a anti-aging power, antibacterial and antioxidants that have remove your darkness or dullness of your skins and also get a smooth and soft skin. Also it have to maintain your moisturizing of your skin. And lemon is a vitamin C that's remove your suntans problem, also have a blackheads problem and spots problem. So my DIY face mask is ready. It's so much liquidity, but that's not problem. You take a old brush or makeup brush, then just apply on your face. This time you don't need to wash your face again because you already steam your face, so that's not problem to wash your face. Just apply it and leave it 15 to 20 minutes. And after 15 or 20 minutes later, when it's a little bit dry, then wash with a cold water and clean with a towel. Friends, use this DIY face mask in 2 or 3 times in a week for a better result. So friends, this is my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel.